Miss Chin gone missing in St. Andrew. Thugs fire bomb 11 houses in deadly early morning rampage. 59-year-old woman reportedly stabbed to death by her brother in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 19-year-old Taniqua Forrest, otherwise called Chin, a customer service representative of Eminsway Crescent, St. Andrew, has been missing since Wednesday, August 10. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall, and sports a braided hairstyle. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that about 8 a.m., Taniqua was last seen at home. Her mode of dress is unknown. All efforts to locate her since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Taniqua Forrest is being asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. A taxi operator is dead and dozens of people are homeless following a gun and arson attack in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Ranil Orton, otherwise called Rum Punch, of Walker's Avenue address in the community. A 59-year-old woman was reportedly stabbed to death by her brother in Tickets District in Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as Lynette Brady of Ticket District, Discovery Bay in the parish. More details to come following further investigations.